Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can join Spotify Family Plan. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find the home section, search section, and lastly right here, you're gonna find all of your playlists and also the option to expand your library so you can see all of your playlists and albums. Right here in the top right corner of your screen, you're gonna find your notifications. Here you're gonna find your friend activity, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. If you click on your profile icon, here you can go to your accounts, go to profile, upgrade to premium, start a private session, go to settings, and lastly log out from your Spotify account. Go ahead and click on upgrade to premium. Once you do that, this will open up this tab on your browser. Once you're here, you're gonna find this option to get premium personal, and here you're gonna find see all subscriptions. Go ahead and scroll a little bit down. Then right here, you're gonna find all of the available subscriptions. So here you're gonna find the premium mini subscription. Here you're gonna find the personal. Here you're gonna find the premium duo. And if you scroll a little bit down, right here you're gonna find the premium family. And lastly, the premium students. So in order to join the family plan, all you need to do guys is click on get premium family. By the way, with this offer, you're gonna get up to 6 premium accounts. You can control content marked as explicit and lastly cancel anytime. Go ahead and click on get premium family, and then once you're here in this page, choose your payment method. For example, credit or debit card, add your payment information, then click on buy. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.